1. Alt plus Tab. Switch between open applications. 2. Alt plus Shift plus Tab. Switch backwards between open applications. 3. Alt plus Print Screen. Create screenshot for current program. 4. Control plus Alt plus Del. Reboot/Windows. Task Manager. 5. Control plus Escape. Bring up Start menu. 6. Alt plus Escape. Switch between applications on taskbar. 7. Alt plus F4. Close current open program. 8. Control plus F4. Close window in program. 9. Alt plus Enter. Open properties window of selected icon or program. 10. Shift plus F10. Simulate right-click on selected item. 11. Shift plus Del. Delete program/files permanently. 12. Control plus key. Automatically adjust widths of all columns in Windows Explorer. 13. Holding Shift during boot up. Boot safe mode or bypass system files. 14. F2. Rename selected icon. 15. F3. Start find from desktop. 16. F4. Open the drive selection when browsing. 17. F5. Refresh contents. 18. Winky plus D. Bring desktop to the top of other windows. 19. Winky plus M. Minimize all windows. 20. Winky plus Shift plus M. Undo the minimize done by Winky plus M and Winky plus D. 21. Winky plus E. Open Microsoft Explorer. 22. Winky plus Tab. Cycle through open programs on taskbar. 23. Winky plus R. Open the Run window. 24. Winky plus L. Lock the computer, Windows XP. And later. 25. Winky plus U. Open Utility Manager. Like and share it to others.